welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about soil testing. This particular test right here in front of you is the Rapid Test Soil Test Kit by Lester. Okay, so what I did, I'm going to tell you what I did. I kind of followed the directions, which they give you a lot of information, so that's pretty cool. You just take the soil with some distilled or filtered water that's pH adjusted. Basically, you know, it's pretty much around 7, and you put a little bit of the soil in and you drain that water out, and then you match it with the chart. So I don't know if you guys can see the color. I'm trying to do it against the white background, but yeah, you just match it with the chart and that tells you how your soil is. So basically, from the looks of this, I have maybe some surplus nitrogen, sufficient phosphorus. One thing I do suggest is filtering your water a little bit better before you put it in these test kits. And they come with little capsules, right? So I had to wait a very long time for the capsule to dissolve. I recommend just maybe cutting it open and just dumping the contents in there. So I say this is pH neutral. I should have showed this one first. And then my potash, what's that, potassium, I guess, looks like, say sufficient or surplus. I could go with surplus. So you don't really need to fertilize right now. I'm going to show you what I tested and why. Alright, so now let me take you guys over here. So these here are my tomatoes, and I had some purple basil, right? And this soil is looking crazy. You see the colors on the leaves of the tomato plants, they all dying off. I don't know what happened. You see the purple basil turn green, so I kind of flushed it out with some water, and then yeah, I took the soil test to see what was going on. So right now we're just going to give it straight water. Looks like I have more than enough nutrients in the soil. pH seems to be right. So I pulled a few tomatoes off of these guys too that started ripening. So I guess that worked. Yeah. Alright guys, just wanted to share that. How to test your soil. If you want me to go a little bit more in depth and do a whole video on it, I wouldn't mind. I do want to test my beds just to see what's going on over there as well. Yeah, alright guys. That's Gift and Gardener. Peace and blessings, and